If you wanted to fix this problem on your Instagram, just follow me in this video step by step. So let's start. First guys, you don't need to open your Instagram. Go directly and open your settings of your device or your phone. Then go and search for apps option, open it, and here on apps option you have to search for Instagram. So when you found Instagram, go ahead and open it, scroll down onto your phone storage option, but here be careful, don't click on clear data because it will delete your data. Click just on clear cache, then you have to back and click on first app and click OK, and now go to battery and allow it on optimized mode, and then go back and click on set as a default and supported links, then you have to go to permission here and allow and give permissions all of this options. And right now go to your Play Store, update your Instagram, it's not updated, and the last step is to restart your phone. So that's it in this video. I hope it's useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.